Hey guys, this is the review for the exit ticket on the lesson 3-2 triangle angle sum theorem and exterior angle theorem. So as the expectation as a reminder is for you to copy the exit ticket problem with the solution and then solve two very similar problems at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you notice on the first problem it says using triangle ABC below, I want you to set up an equation, solve for the unknown, find the missing angle measures, and identify the triangle by its classification as acute, obtuse, right, or equiangular. So, if you notice the first problem is dealing with a triangle angle sum theorem because these angles are the interior angles of this triangle. So the triangle angle sum theorem states that when you have three angles inside a triangle, their sum is going to be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so we need to set up an equation which is going to come back and substitute. So angle A is 7x minus 2 plus angle B, 9x minus 7 plus angle C, 7x plus 5, all that equals to 180 degrees. In order for me to successfully answer these or solve this equation, we need to combine the alike terms. So this is 7x plus 9x plus 7x would give me 23x. Now I gotta combine the constant terms. Negative 2 minus 7, that's negative 9 plus 5, that's negative 4, equals 180 degrees. So then here, we need to add 4 on both sides, apply the inverse operation to isolate x. So this is 23x equals 184. And then divide by 23 to leave x alone, right? And we get x equals 8. Okay, so I am not completely done with this problem. It's asking me to find the measure for each one of these angles, so I need to come back and substitute. So then here, 7 times 8 minus 2, 7 times 8 is 56, minus 2 is 54 degrees. That's for angle A. Now for angle B, 9 times 8 minus 7, 9 times 8 is 72, minus 7 is 65 degrees. And then for angle C, 7 times 8 plus 5, 7 times 8 plus 5 will give me 7 times 8 is 56 plus 5, 61. Here, guys, it's super important to check for the reasonableness of our question, our answers. So then here, I'm gonna ask you to always add all of the angles. So 54 plus 65 plus 61, and check that in fact gives you 180 degrees. So 4 plus 5 plus 1 gives me 10. And then 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6 is going to give me 18. So this is correct for this specific problem. Now I'm still not done. There's still one more part that I need to answer, and that's classifying this triangle. So based on these angles, I notice that all of the angles in this particular triangle are less than 90 degrees. So the classification for this specific triangle will be acute triangle. Okay. Now for the next one. In the next problem, they're asking for us to find the measure of the angle WFG. And if you notice, that angle is an exterior angle, so we need to apply the exterior angle theorem. And so here, in order for you to successfully answer this question, okay, I just want to remind you, because I know that there's several students who are struggling with this. That angle, that exterior angle, is created by the extension of that one of the sides. So this is exterior angle. The non-adjacent angles, the angles that are not next to that exterior angle, such as angle G and H, are gonna be the they're gonna be the remote interior angles. So what you learned today is that in order for you to successfully find the measurement of the exterior angle, you need to set the exterior angle equals to the sum of the remote interior angles. So the sum of the remote interior angles. Okay, so here we have angle WFG will be equals to the sum of angle G plus angle H. So let's go ahead and come back and substitute into this expression. So in this equation, so the expression for the angle WFG is -5 plus 15x equals angle G is 6x plus 2. Angle H is simply 65. Okay, so we need to combine alike terms here. So I can combine the 2 and the 67. So -5 plus 15x equals 6x plus 65 plus 2 is 67. Then here I always tell you that when we're trying to move terms across the equal sign, we need to apply inverse operation. So I would like to combine my x terms. So I need to do, I always advise you to move the smallest x term. So -6x on both sides, or subtract x, 6x. This would give us -5 plus 9 x equals 67. And then we're almost done. So then here we're gonna have to add 5. This is 9x equals 72. And then divided by 9, we get that x equals 8. Okay, still not done, because the question is asking me to find for the measure of that angle, which is the exterior angle. So there is one more step that we need to do here. Okay, so we need to do 15 -5 plus 15 times x, which in this case x is 8. So 15 times 8 will be 8 times 1 is 8. 120. So -5 plus 120 would give me 115 degrees. So that is my final answer. Okay, here are the problems. Here are the problems that you are expected to do. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this part so that you can see clearly. There it is. Please don't forget to comment below with your first and your last name. That will assure me that you have watched this video, as well as giving a thumbs up to this video. And thank you so much, guys, for your support. So see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.